Good morning everyone, and welcome to Suburban Stone Age. Today's video is about installing the geodesic playdome roof to our dirt fort and also installing the frame for the door. To recap, we've already gone through the steps of digging the hole, installing the floor, and building the foundation walls. And now it's time to finally install the geodesic playdome and the door frame. Building the playdome is a two-person job. However, I thought I'd complete as much as possible by myself ahead of time. Although my heart was in the right place, the instructions were a little hard to follow, and the next day, we ended up having to break it down and start over. Whoops! The following day was dedicated to assembling the dome. It took us about 3 hours altogether to get it assembled completely. But the final result was worth it. Now it's time to begin on the door frame. I set up the posts for the door frame to get an idea of the proportions that I would like to see in the final product. Next, we charred the posts to prevent them from rotting at the bottom. Once that was complete, we set the posts into the ground and then added the stones for the threshold and mudded them in. And there you have it, the completed geodesic dome and the door frame all ready to go. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe so we can tell you more about how the dome comes along. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and leave a comment if you have any questions. We look forward to seeing you next time. Bye!